terrible news here on Team Tintin tonight.
Yes, there is.
No Tonga is on the cards for us on this trip.
Not yet. Have a failed head gasket on the engine. Place for you. Alright. Let's take the autopilot off.
Just power?
Just
Stand by. Let's turn this mother around. Well, it's been an interesting day on Tintin. Interesting day and night. Yeah, so we made the call yesterday to turn around and head back to New Zealand, and we're pretty gutted about it, obviously, understandably. Yeah, sucks. Well, we got the wind behind us, blowing 25 knots straight back to Whangarei. We're gonna make a comfort pancake, bacon and maple syrup, and everyone's off the deck setting up the sails into a bull swing formation today. Yeah, to hopefully get us the fuck out of here and back. Sorry if you don't like swearing on a travel trip. Not in the mood to be polite. Alright, let's show you. So we got the mainsail out that side, and they're setting up the genoa or the jib to go out that side on that whisker pole.
Esther is making pancake for breakfast.
Trying to.
I just put the wing on wing or gooseneck setup. How much wind do we have? 18 knots. True wind. Going back to New Zealand, at least with the sunshine. Ooh la la. Thank you, Esther.
You have outdone yourself.
And please.
He's a happy captain.
It's a very happy captain now.
What do you have on yours?
I have bacon, banana, raspberries or something. 2 lovely big fat pancakes covered in butter and something else. Maple syrup. Can't go wrong.
Thank you.
Breakfast of champions.
Today on Tintin, we have Esther getting a, how do you say, tuning the ukulele?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which will create a nice little vibe for Trevor, who's pumping oil out of the engine. And all of that with a nice smell of cookies. Just another day at sea.
Yeah. God, yeah. They're gorgeous.
Getting inspired by Conti.
Heaven.
We break.
Claire,
Okay, let's do that
and
again.
today's lesson.
Let's not put the, let's keep the eggs in the bowl.
So today we're doing downwind, cooking breakfast in 25 knots, rolling like a pig, and Claire is doing okay at the moment.
Yeah, Esther requested cheesy scrambled eggs.
Cheesy scrambled eggs.
Yep.
Cheesy scrambled
I'm
eggs.
demanding.
Demanding.
Yeah.
Wow, you're a bit demanding at times, aren't you? Yuck, that's disgusting. Even I'm not going to.
Have a look at it. It's just...
Yeah, there's no saving that, I'm afraid.
What is it? Tea bags. All the eggs.
Tea bags, eggs,
Tea bags,
avocado.
avocado noodles.
You don't mind, do you?
Wait, what happened?
Oh, we caught a wave and the ball went.
Lots of eggs.
Will they take eggs off us?
That's a good question. I don't know. Will they take eggs off us? Will they take all the fruit off us? Will they take all the meat off us? And most importantly, will they take the fucking bacon?
Or the alcohol?
Or the alcohol? Well, we should indulge in the bacon and alcohol before we get there. Like just fat with bacon and drunk.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds like pirate life.
Rolling up the harbour.
Dinghy outside.
Yeah.
Shit face.
Here we are today, high on bacon, booze and life.
Life on Tintin.
Yeah.
Coming back to New Zealand.
Well, one day from New Zealand, we are 100 nautical miles approximately. We should be there tomorrow morning. In fact, we may have to slow down a little bit.
Oh, we can just speed up.
We can't be too fast.
Let's just go speedy.
Speedy, so we would get in sometime in the middle of the night.
Can I give you that, please?
Yeah.
Don't spill that, Esther.
Thank you. Yeah, no.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tintin.
Oh my god. That's unbelievable. Guess who's scrubbing the boat when we get there?
Egg one.
Oh my god.
Tintin's hungry.
Yeah.
It's good for protein.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my 6 times table isn't so long.
You can break out toes as well.
Before 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, no, 90, roughly 18 hours.
Yeah, that'll be about right. Sailing 101. Get the math right. So our little estimator up there should start to come in soon.
Why does it say arrival 44 minutes?
No, it says arrival at 44 minutes past 12. So yeah, so that's about right. That's
We're
what
going to slow right down.
well, I'm not going to slow down yet. I'll slow down when we get closer to land because there's a big lull coming as well. So we don't want to get close to land and then find ourselves in a lull.
Just can't we just like anchor somewhere for the night? Or
No, we're not allowed to anchor. We can anchor outside Marsden Cove,
yeah.
but we have to get there first. And we have to line up the tides, so we have to work out the tides for Marsden Cove. We have to get the boat over the side in the night. We have to then anchor. So yeah, ideally I like to come in the morning,
Yeah.
and then we'll work out what the morning tide is, and we'll be coming in on the incoming morning tide. So that's cutting off your head. That's the plan. Coming in on the morning tide, getting the boat over the side, and making it all look very professional and slick.
Yeah, that's what's important.
It is. It's all about image. Those guys have had a problem, but they are still fucking slick as goose shit.
Sure.
Well, we will debate that.
You didn't even film the dolphins on it.
No. We can film on screen. We can.
Reenactment. Like you just kind of put footage into it.
We actually saw dolphins.
Well, I guess we're testing the generator as well. actual smell or the fumes? Good morning.
It's not raining.
It's not raining.
Oh. It's unusual, no rain.
I know.
Don't know what- It's a day for beer. Beer and customs.
Beer, I guess. Which one first?
Sadly, customs.
But which pub is not open at 7 in the morning?
Well, Pub Chinchin is always open.
I forgot to write an extra line for that. Trev stuck his head through the window and said, "Oh, just you wait, there's more." He said, "Girls have got bad news to share. Sorry, Tonga's not on the cards, I fear. We're gonna have to turn around on the sea. Here's the head gaskets blown on the engine, and Tonga just don't have the parts. We must turn around now, unfortunately, or we'll be stuck with a motor that won't start. Oh, la-di-da, 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 la-di-da." So Claire said, "First let's all just have a tea." We sat there in silence and said, "Poor Trev's just thinking it cost a pretty penny, and Lena will get deported," she said. Now we're headed back where we came from, with the wind pushing us there over falls. It's like our terror was calling us home, and we call only sounds of remorse. Oh, la-di-da, 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 la-di-da.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, we made it safely back into Marsden Cove. We had a beautiful day. Cleared customs. Customs are very kind to us. Except for Lena. They deport Lena, basically. She had to leave the country within 2 days, and she safely made it to Bali. Had a great time and lots of beer. Esther is now in Western Australia, living a great life. Claire is back in the south of New Zealand, cooking up a story.